Nestled against this stunning mountain preserve in Westwing, this exceptional luxury property in Peoria, Arizona offers a rare combination of space, privacy, and elevated Arizona living, all with convenient access to the rapidly growing TSMC and Amkor semiconductor corridors. This spacious kitchen opens to the main living areas, creating the perfect setup for everyday living. Welcome home, a beautifully upgraded residence designed for comfort, functionality, and unforgettable entertaining. With 8 bedrooms and expansive living spaces throughout, this home offers incredible flexibility for multi-generational living, guests, work-from-home lifestyles, or growing families who simply want room to breathe. Thoughtful upgrades throughout include 2 new air conditioning units for efficient year-round comfort, a tankless water heater, and a Tesla charger already installed in the garage for modern convenience. Every space was designed with comfort and privacy in mind, creating a home that feels both luxurious and welcoming. Whether you're hosting gatherings, enjoying quiet evenings under the Arizona sky, or watching the sunset over the mountains, this backyard was built for the lifestyle buyers dream about. Ideally positioned with convenient access to Loop 303, this location is especially attractive for buyers seeking proximity to major employers, including TSMC and Amkor, while still enjoying the luxury and serenity of Westwing living. Surrounded by scenic hiking trails, mountain views, parks, dining, and top-rated schools, Westwing continues to be one of Peoria's premier luxury communities. Step outside into your private backyard retreat, featuring a sparkling pool and spa, low-maintenance artificial turf, and a dedicated dog run, all surrounded by the tranquility and privacy that make this property truly special. Your private balcony off the primary suite, this home truly has it all. Give me a call to schedule your private showing.